So we're going to call this the neckline or the armhole of a garment. This is the stitching line. This is the seam allowance. And here's a facing piece cut in the same shape. It has tricot pressed on the back. Always tack the press on with an iron first and then use the heat press to attach it to the fabric securely. Pin the facing to the garment, right sides together, on the stitching line. Stitch, trim the seam allowance down, and clip every 1/4 to 1/2 inch. The tighter the curve, the more clips you'll need. This fabric is a thin cotton, so I didn't need to grade it, but if it were thicker, I would cut one seam allowance shorter than the other. Press, then turn and press again, making sure that the stitching line is just to the inside of the garment. Stitch the seam allowance to the facing 1/8 inch from the original stitching line. So it'll look like this on the outside and this on the inside.